Good morning, guys. Let me tell you why I'm here. Good morning. Today is Monday, and I'm entering to train in Canada for the first time. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I never entered train, and I'm here for over a year. I'm entering the train today because I'm going into downtown. I'm entering the train today. I'm entering train. I'm so excited. Very, very excited. Everybody's walking towards the train. Everybody is walking towards the train. I don't even know how I'm going to do it. I'm going to pay. I don't see anybody paying. I just see everybody walking in. Let me show you guys. Exactly. I'm inside. So can I join you? Thank you.
Clear of the doors as this train is trying to depart.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like
Another massage session done. I don't know if I told you guys last time I came that they booked me for multiple sessions because I have some tight muscles. So now my muscles have been relieved. They are no longer tight because this massage was not painful, but that first one was very painful. But I feel refreshed. I don't know if you can see my body shining from all the oil, but I feel good. I recommend at least, they say every 6 weeks. No, just saying maybe every 3 months. I recommend. How have you guys been? How are you doing?
said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fast. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait.
How are you guys doing? I've had it for 3 weeks now, I think, or 4 weeks. It's time to let it go. Today's Friday. It's time to let it go while I continue to do what my employers are paying me for. I don't have much to say to you guys today. Nothing has been happening around here. But I just posted. Let me show you guys. So, this brand reached out to me. Central. They have a pillow and room mist and a relaxing body lotion. So I just posted content on Instagram. Go check me out if you are not following me. It's Dami Show on Instagram. I'm going to put it in the description box. And yeah, so let me tell you guys a quick story. So I battled with insomnia. So when I got the oh my gosh, I think I'm cutting my hair. Oh my gosh, is my hair that long? I'm not even sure. So when I got the mail from the brand, I'm like, oh my gosh, like, you guys know what is wrong with me, right? Like, it was just amazing that it is something like I legit need. I was so excited to do it, and I've used it. As you can see, the mist, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see? It's not full, again. See where it is. It was like full, but I always use it every night before sleeping. It's been working for me and I absolutely love it. They are available in Superstore online, Superstore all over Canada, and then they are also available on their own website. Central's natural and organic skincare, 100% natural, sleep well. So the name of the brand is Central. The name of the product is Sleep Well Pillow and Room Mist with pure essential oils. Yeah, so I'm gonna be here doing my employer's work, loosening my hair, and then talking to you guys. I've not had my break today and it's already 1 o'clock. I don't know what's happening. So go and follow me on Instagram. Bye. Somebody can help. Hi guys, quick one. So today is my second time ever doing any fitness activity. The first one, I was paralyzed for like 4 days. I've run away for it for like a year now. But my office has a gym and they have like some cardio classes. So I'm trying out one today. After this, I'm going to get used pain meds because I know. Follow me. I'm excited because of my shoe, not because of the activity.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, you can be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, got a feeling I'm gonna go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing up my chest and it's squeezed to the suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool and I'ma think that there are better days. I can walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I can change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. All I want, and I pray, I believe in the better way. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and it's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win your life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I can change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in effect, cause I say what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Heritage Station.
How's it supposed to feel?
Third time in the train. You guys, I'm sure you can tell my excitement. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm in the train. I just left the office. And I'm sure you guys saw me training in the office. I'm into the gym today. My body hurts. As in my... I don't know by the time I wake up tomorrow, my body will be on fire. But what shall man do? We're gonna train, irrespective. Getting ready for the summer body. So my colleague is training me on building abs and then increasing my gluten for the summer. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope I can keep up. But I did 2 sessions today. I did about 45 minutes during my break time, and then after work I'll try and put everything I did in I'm on my way home. Today we entered the bus. This is my first time entering the bus in Canada. And
The next stop is Somerset Bridlewood
about
Station.
not driving, but it's okay, right? So in the morning we took a bus to the train station, and then from the train station to the office, and then coming back, I'm in the train to drop me at the train station, cross to the other side, take a bus that will drop me like 3 minutes away from my house, and then I'll walk home. But I'm excited. The train is literally empty now because I closed at 5 and trained for about 45 minutes. By that time, it's no longer rush hour, so everywhere is empty. This train is literally empty. I mean, this side I am in, we are just three. On this side I am in, and you guys can see. I didn't want to film because there were quite a number of people before, but now everybody has gotten down and gotten to the train station. I'm rambling too much. I'm excited. I don't know if you can tell. Train life, bus life, no driving. It's okay to go to downtown that way because my office is in downtown, right? So it's okay. Usually I would drive to the train station. Not me, Mr. D. We'll drive to the train station and then we'll take the train downtown. But today we decided to go through the bus. But the flip side to that bus is you have to wake up earlier. Like you have to leave the house like about 30 minutes earlier so that you don't miss the bus that would take you to work early. I don't know if you guys understand, but let's go take the bus.
They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I'm in the bus. I'm in the bus. Calgary Transit Town. This is me. It's the excitement for me. I was way more excited in the morning actually than I am now, but it's still good. I'm so excited. Entering the bus. I don't know if I'll do this again. Will we do this again? It doesn't know. It decides I won't go for this because I have to walk from the bus station to my house, and I don't like walking. So I won't out of the blues request to enter the bus. So what if he says he wants to, I can follow, but I'm not gonna be my decision. I'll see you when I get home. Or if anything happens, I'll show you the road, you know. Bus life.
There you go.
I forgot to mention that after leaving the gym in the office, I didn't change back to my office clothes. So I'm not wearing my gym wear home and my sneaks. And I already put my office clothes in the bag. So there's no point changing back. Why are you doing? Oh my gosh, I'm in pains. When I woke up this morning, I felt like I was paralyzed. If you guys can remember, yesterday I was telling you that I trained for my first time in the gym, and I used like almost 2 hours session in during my break, my lunch time, and then after work. And then yesterday I knew that this pain was coming, and that's like my biggest challenge with fitness, gym, all those things. Not like I don't want to do it, but it's this pain that I was avoiding. And to be honest, I wasn't mentally ready, but I found myself inside it, and now I'm in pains. I can't sit well. I can't walk well. I'm limping. It's just I'm not even limping. I can't sit very well. So I'm slouching on the couch because I can't sit upright working on my decks. So I'll just put my laptop. I'm in pain. My friend just called me now to ask how I'm doing, and then she told me to get Ipso. I think you guys. I need to reduce. I need to pause this vlog that I'm watching. So my friend told me to get Epsom salt and get soaked in the bath for a long time, that to relieve me of the pain. So that's what I'm gonna do. During my lunchtime, I'm gonna go out to buy the Epsom salt from Superstore. Hopefully they have, or Shoppers or Walmart. I mean, I'll just go everywhere. I must find it. So she said that the properties in that salt will relieve the muscle contraction, whatever the muscle is going through now. I just want to let you guys know that I'm in severe pains, and it's because of this. I don't want fitness, but I definitely myself inside here now. How you guys do this? And my madam is saying, and she has also said that I need to stretch today, and I'm even scared of the stretching. Oh God. Who sent me a message? I'll show you guys when I go buy the salt. But man, I shouldn't have. I should have just followed my instincts and not do this fitness thing. I don't want to say I'm regretting it, but man, with this pain, it's not worth it. And I don't want to use the word overdose, but I used a lot of pain meds yesterday, and I still woke up paralyzed. So imagine if I did not use anything. Strong ones, oh my God, oh.
They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Can you guys see me? How are you doing? So let me bend and talk to you guys. So you just saw the clip of me doing some stretches. I just checked YouTube to check for stretching exercise for beginners. So I did that for about 8 minutes. My husband also helped me out. Mr. D also helped me out to tell me the best ones to do, because he's a fitness person. He's trying to be, or rather he is. Anyways, so right now, I mentioned earlier that I was going to go buy Epsom salt. So I went to the something, and then I realized I think I have it. So I called Mr. D that, please help me check. I think I have this thing before I pay for it. I know I'm build. I bought this thing in November. My friend has used out of it. It's been opened. I have some bath bombs too that I bought. Apparently I didn't use it since I think November or December. But so I'm going to pour this, and I'm going to soak myself for I think about 20 minutes. Yeah. So I was told that this also relieves a lot of muscle aches. So it says helps to relax, helps to create a sense of harmony of body and mind. Anyways, Watch me soak myself. Hi guys, how are you doing? I know I'm always very excited when I want to greet you people. I don't know. Like my intro. How are you guys doing? Good afternoon. My name is Kamisho. If you're new to this channel, thank you so very much for joining me today. This vlog, I don't know what is happening with this vlog, but I know we are going somewhere. I know there's content happening, but I don't know the. Anyways, today I just finished from work, and I work from home today. I'm not sure if you guys haven't watched my last video talking about how I work from home and going to the office in an every situation. Today I worked from home. Today's Friday. It's the long weekend. So there is public holiday on Monday, and in Canada, when there is public holiday on Monday like this, we call it the long weekend. A lot of things happens during I don't know, a lot of things happen during the long weekend. There's something happening for me tomorrow. There's something happening for me on Sunday. But anyways, the reason why I'm here, I am going for micro needling. I have acne scars. In case you don't know, in case you have not seen me before, I have a lot of acne scars, and I want to get rid of it. When I started, I've done 2 sessions of micro needling, and they said that it takes 6 sessions to go away. I've done 2. I did 2 in Nigeria before I left. I wish I got on the wagon of micro needling way before I left Nigeria, but I did 2. I know I vlogged 1. I know I've posted 1 video about my micro needling experience in Lagos, Nigeria. So I don't know if I'm vlogging this whole experience or I'm putting it in this vlog, but I'm vlogging to show you guys what it's like. So I've been not necessarily looking for, but I've been wanting to do this. When I did it in Nigeria, it was 60,000 naira for a session, and I've been looking for something within the range of like 120, 150, something like that. Something like that, so that I can do multiple sessions. So I've been using mouth to do it since I've been in Canada for 1 year, but now is the time. I'm doing my first session. Luckily for me, this lady is just 8 minutes away from my house, and she's charging me 170 for micro needling, and I'm excited. I haven't done facials in a year. When I was in Nigeria, I used to do my facials at least every 6 weeks. And the reason why I haven't done it in a year is not because there's no person here to do it though. It's not like the availability is not there. It's just, I don't know, maybe it's not that I can afford it. I don't know, but I'm going to try as much as possible to do this, because if I do facials, I don't need to. If I do micro needling, I don't need facials separately. It comes together. So I'll try as much as possible before the end of summer to finish to do like 4 sessions. I'm hoping I'm able to do like 4 sessions for the end of summer. I'm talking too much. I am talking too much, but I just want you guys to know that I am going for micro needling. Although I have some active acne, it's part of it, right? It's part of the reason why we are doing micro needling. I need to get my texture right. I need this scarring out of my face. I need to be a baby girl. What's happening? I'll see you guys when I get there. I hope I'll be able to film. That's another thing, because I'm not sure I'll be able to film the whole experience. When I get there, I'll ask her if she can, because I know that the spa is like a house, like downstairs a house, like a basement or something. Well, I haven't been to this area before. These are nice houses. Hey God, these are nice houses. I should actually do house tour, like new build tour for you. guys on this channel to show you guys what houses in Calgary looks like. I think I did one when I was in Kitchener. I should do one, so I'm talking too much. Microneedling, and then there's something on my face. It wasn't so much of a big deal. Okay, can you guys see? The face looks plump now. So what I did is, I think I mentioned to you guys that I want to do like multiple sessions before summer is over. What I did is I asked her how much she was going to give me if I wanted to do multiple sessions, and she said 3 sessions, so it is 175. No, 170. Is it 170 or 175? 170, sorry, my bad. 170, and 3 sessions is 510. So if I pay for 3 sessions at once, she'll take off $100. So that would be $410. So I paid $410. Okay, I paid $25 before as deposit. So I paid $385 now. And she said every 4 weeks. So I'm booking, once I get home, I'll check my calendar. I'm booking my next session for June, like maybe June 20 something. Yeah, sessions back to back. So one in May, one in June, one in July. At that time, I'll see what it looks like and pay for another 3 sessions. But I'm excited. I didn't even plan to pay 3 sessions coming year. I'm just come and pay 150 JJ because I just come and pay 145. But I just felt like $100 off makes a whole lot of sense. So I used my $100 to buy something for myself. I see you guys. I think I'll be ending the vlog here. I have done video on microneedling experience before, so I don't think there's any need for me to give you a detailed video again. So I'm going to end the vlog here, or maybe tomorrow. But in my next vlog, I'll just show you guys the downtime, how my skin is feeling and all that. Usually it takes about 7 to 10 days for the downtime, like peeling, scar, patches, all those things. That's what the downtime of microneedling is. I'm not worried. Just I'll go to work and they'll be asking me, oh, I'm okay. And I'm ranting again. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or if anything happens. I'm going to the pharmacy. I need to go and get medication that my doctor prescribed for me. I already dropped the prescription, but they said it was going to take like 45 minutes. And I left during my break time, so. And it was during my break time I need to get my phone out. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let me put you guys here while we prepare to leave this place. I think I want to go to McDonald's again. But I want to buy ice cream. I want to buy, yeah, it's close by here. I had one yesterday. Oh gosh, it should not be every day. I'm supposed to avoid the sun. She said I'm not supposed to go out for 3 days, but I have a birthday party tomorrow, and I have something doing on Sunday. So anyway, that Sunday when I'll be at it's indoors, right? But that tomorrow's when I think it's outdoor. I'm going out. drive through. Honestly, I'm tired. Can't even believe I have to get down again. Guys, I have a problem. This car has back camera. Why do I keep looking back to turn? Why? So something happened. I told you guys I was coming to McDonald's. So I came here during my break to buy lunch. It's not far from my house. I came to buy lunch. I bought double quarter something big burger, and when they gave me, it was light, but I didn't really think much of it. But when I got home, I realized that this thing is not what I bought, right? Because it's their new burger that they just launched. So I realized that it's the single one they gave me. So I took a picture and came here to buy this right now. Actually, I didn't even remember that I had matter with them. I came to buy McFlurry. I've forgotten that something had happened, but I just dropped the receipt here. When I was there together, I saw the receipts and realized that, oops, I wanted to go have a word with these people. So I got there, just randomly. I didn't even need to ask for a manager. I just said, oh, I bought this. What was on the receipt? And she said, it's the double. I'm like, okay, I bought the double and I was giving the single. She was shocked, and then she was already going to make an attempt to give me what I paid for, and then I showed her the picture because I took a picture of what I got, the single one that I got, and then she apologized and went to make the double that I requested for earlier that I bought, and then they gave me fries. I need to look for dinner. And then when I opened it, it looked like the sauce was not enough. I'm like, the sauce that I got earlier was more than this. She went to get sauce. She gave me more sauce. So dinner is set. Maybe not dinner because I'm really hungry. Maybe not dinner, but yeah, dinner because it's already 7 p.m. Dinner actually. I like fresh McDonald's fries. I try to go. I don't know why I always say that when I'm out before we stop.